Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking and how to download HP Smart Tank 530 all-in-one Wi-Fi additional. So how to download? Firstly, open any browser, search on Google, type HP Smart Tank 530 Wi-Fi download driver and download. So guys, install. First click to first link, and firstly guys choose your operating system which is using Windows, Android, ISO, Linux, Mac OS and Windows. So I have Windows and but operating system is Windows 11, so click to change. Now scroll down, then guys click to scanner this basic drivers to install. Wait few minutes to install drivers. Now installing drivers. So guys, finally this is installed. To click launch. Now this is extracting the drivers. So guys, then click to yes. So printer, this is router, and this is your system, laptop, desktop, any. Okay, suppose your mobiles. Then click to continue. So there are 4 options to install: wireless, wired and USB. So which way to require? If your printer connect to wired, so select this one. If you have to connect to wireless, means Wi-Fi, so select this one. If you have to USB, so select this ones. So if you have select automatically detect your, and if you can skip this. Okay, finish. So guys, have an issue, please comment me, I will support you. Have any issues like this, driver is not installing like this.